Welcome back to Shitcoin Daily, where we find the worst coins on the market and pick them up for tiny pieces of cash, turning them into either bigger pieces of cash or even smaller pieces of cash. If that doesn't sound enticing to you, I don't know what is. Right, so this was our most recent trade, and I say most recent. I've only been doing this Shitcoin Daily for about a week now, but so far, if I was to add all of the percents into one go, there'd have to be around about 600% in profit within 10 days. So you can't really, there's no dispute in that. It's all on record. Go to my Telegram, go to my Twitter, go to my YouTube. You'll see that 600% or more probably profit from these super shit coins. So what am I talking about here? And is there actual money to be made? Well, yeah, there's 600 odd % to be made. Some of these coins can make a lot more. It depends on the trading volume. Now with this piece of shit, we were looking at this to hit a pretty big low. So if we look at the state of it, it's awful. Oh, it's horrendous. It's terrible. But actually, this is the sort of thing I look for Shitcoin Daily. So I was watching this drop, and I never watched it from back here, but I took one look at that chart, and it looked good to me, because I'm looking for giant pieces of crap to fall from the sky so I can pick them up at low prices. So I picked this one up basically a few days ago, and we were up. I've sold it now, but I was up 350%, most of that in a single day. So is this one going to continue to go up? For the moment, I wouldn't touch it, because the last big leg down we had at this level, so sold out at this level, I imagine it's going to go down because it's a shit coin. And then maybe we can look at buying it back again. The fact is, I've been proven right once again. We can pick up shit coins for tiny pieces of cash and 3x, 4x them. Now this wasn't as good as the CNS trade that I did, where I was close to doing a 20x in 7 days. That is still a top shit coin, which is on my radar, full stop. Also, on my last Shitcoin Daily update, I was talking about how KIN coin is the mother of all shitcoins, actually sort of moving into a realm of a decent coin at this point with decent chart progression. This has been a shit coin that's been around for a very long time. People have been crying into their cereal in the morning, wishing that they'd never bought this, until Shitcoin Daily arrived, and I began speaking about it. And now look what happened. It's not, it's not worthy of Shitcoin Daily really, but a 34% increase in a day is not too bad. And again, 34% on top of all my other percents is a drop in the ocean, but this one comes with high volume, so you could trade this one with decent amounts of cash. I would never advise putting too much into shitcoins from Shitcoin Daily, but this was on my last video. I said this one would be a good one. You could put in a bit more cash into this, and if you had done that, you'd be up at least 34%. It's gone up more than that. It's probably been up about 50% from where I made that video. So 50% profit on top shitcoin, you can't complain with that. $100 would be $150 today. You get the maths. You know what you're doing with maths. You don't need me to teach you that. Anyway, still top shitcoin. Looking to continue with this, I'd imagine. And made a few people on my Telegram quite happy. Now with this one, like I say, we'll give up on this one. What are we going to do? So we're going to apply the formula again, see if we can find a new shitcoin to pull the trigger on with some of those profits that we've made out of that 300% move from here. And again, when I'm talking 300% move, I've not been trading a great deal of money on these things, because you can't. The volumes are always very low. So I'm going to take the profit out of that one, and I'm going to find a new one to destroy. So who's it going to be? What am I going to look at here? So I can't really look at anything with a trading volume of next to zero. So let's have a little look around of something that... This one hasn't fallen much, but it interests me with the volume. So ooh, this is interesting. Okay, so let's have a look at this on a daily, see what this looks like. Now that is what I'm talking about. Look at that. No one in their right mind would trade that, apart from me. So again, this carries extreme risk. Don't do this with loads of money. I think I'm going to put all my profit into something like this, and I'm going to wait until there's another candlestick that comes down to around about 5 cents. I'm going to have a close eye on this one, and I'm going to be looking to trade this one for what I would imagine to be maybe 100% gain. I reckon I could get out of this one, maybe more. Look at these wicks. That is a killer of a wick. Didn't know what it wanted to do, but I think we could all get on board and say that we know what it's going to do. These coins are so good to me. I'm going to watch this one. I'm going to trade this one. This is new. This is Top Shitcoin Daily XXA. Don't know what it does. Don't know what it even stands for. Who knows? But I tell you what it's going to do. It's going to eat my profits, and it's going to spit them out into either gold or shit. Next episode on Shitcoin Daily, we're going to see how this one's taken us. So this time next week, we'll see if we've profited from this one. Again, I'm looking for 100% profit taken on this one. I'll be looking to be buying it around 5 cents. Maybe I'll front run it to 6 just to get in there, because these wicks are pretty big when they get there. I might be a little late because this has happened today already. You know, if you'd have bought back down here at the bottom of that wick would correspond to this wick, then you'd be up what, 25% already. So maybe we've missed the bounce, but I'll keep my eyes peeled on this one. XXA, this is the new shitcoin for Shitcoin Daily. So far we've got around about 650% profits on Shitcoin Daily. We're going to see if we can turn this into 1,000 over the next month. Anyway, I'm going to leave it with you there. Top shitcoins, Shitcoin Daily, you know where to come. Thanks for watching.